What's up, guys? Welcome to another BellyBros.
Is that just on you? Is that just, seriously? Am I not even like?
No, it's a GoPro. It's wide angle.
Well, it needs to be if it's on you. No, we're not changing.
So I thought my energy level was just way too high for you at that moment. Guys, so you wondering where are we sitting today? What are we doing today in this video? Today we're going to take you to a very interesting store here in China called Miniso.
It's a German-owned company, isn't it? And
it's not a German-owned company.
Where's it? What?
So Miniso was founded in 2013. A combination of a Chinese entrepreneur and a Japanese designer. Not a combination, a partnership between these two guys. They started Miniso in 2013.
Wow, so is that the company that's got 1,800 stores in 40 different countries?
How do you know?
It's almost like we check Wikipedia.
The knowledge coming out of your brain, it baffles my mind every time.
No, I've been in there a few times and you can buy literally everything for about £1.
Yeah, it's so cheap. They've got everything. We're going to show you inside of the Miniso store, but we're not
some of the mall.
Inside of the mall, we're in the mall. And yeah, we'll show you how this mall look in China. Maybe you've thought, hey, does China have similar malls to Western countries? It does.
Also, we're not in BellyBros clothes to the BellyBros clothes today because it's so hot that I couldn't wear my top underneath this and then take this off. I've actually got sweat dripping down me. Can I say bum crack?
Yeah, bum
I've got
crack,
sweat dripping down my bum crack at the moment. It is so hot. So we're going to go inside in the air conditioning. Don't worry, we are going to eat. We're going to buy some Miniso snacks.
Yeah, because they've got incredible snacks, like snacks that I've never seen before, that I never even knew they had, that they made. So
secret snacks.
Yeah, it's just incredible. It's like weird snacks.
Okay. Are we going to eat some weirds? No, let's not promise that. No promises.
Hi. Oh, no sitting?
He's saying no sitting. Okay. It was good timing that though, wasn't it? Thanks very much.
See you inside the mall.
Okay, so as with all things China, being safe still, you have to scan the code. You have to get this blue code. No one see me information. And then you have to show this lovely lady here who's just gonna nod and wave a hand. And then once she's nodded and waved a hand, we're in the mall, baby. Watch this, I'm gonna be naughty. Oh! Yeah,
It's cars in a mall.
These are called Xpeng. Really cheap motors, to be honest. But I've been in a few of them for taxis. I mean, what a great car they are inside, to be honest. Really good. But cheap as, maybe about $15,000–$16,000.
Oh, it's electric. Jeez.
Looks like a giant grapefruit. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Do you reckon it'll you
yeah.
can see if
So, but it senses you.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't.
And then see, to close it, you just go.
I think you must get to a certain point. How cool is this though?
Jeez.
I don't like that colour. That Man City blue.
Cars in a mall.
Mate, if he's not wearing a mask, do I have to wear a mask?
No, it's alright.
Hey, doctor, any advice for MJ on how he can lose weight? Oh, broke his jaw. Shit. Sugar.
Let's just get out of here.
Let's go.
the girls gone wild.
Okay, guys, we've had enough fun.
So much fun.
So much fun in Miniso.
If anyone can come down to Miniso, is it called Miniso?
Yeah, Miniso.
If anyone wants to come down to Miniso and have as much fun as we have, I dare you.
Yeah. As you see, this shop's got everything, but enough fun. Let's get down to eating.
So tired.
Let's get some snacks, and we're gonna taste them, so you know how they taste. See what we got.
We've got 3 drinks. These are the ones that put the sweat back inside you. We had a bit of it every night again last night. We've got some sauced beef jerky spicy flavour. There you go, love. We got some sauced beef jerky barbecue flavour. We got some grilled pork jerky. We like the jerky, it seems. Some charcoal grilled sausage. We got marinated mushrooms. And for dessert, we have some freeze-dried strawberry with collagen peptide.
Oh, peptide.
And we got 3 drinks.
And the total 88.
So it's about $10.
Yeah, about $10.
Oh, and then you probably do this, but you can pay on your phone. I think you've seen us do this before. There you go, there. All done. 88. So that's about That's about $12, $11. And for Karen, it's about £10 because the pound's going down at the moment. Okay, so we take you to all the best places, don't we? Let me take this mask off. We've taken you to the bus station of IGC Mall.
Yeah, so bus station right behind us, connected to the mall. The mall's connected to the
Miniso. Miniso's connected to
my belly.
How are you doing? Right, we're gonna start with the. I was gonna start with the spicy beef, but we're gonna start with them, and then we'll see how spicy the spicy one is compared to
what
the
is this
normal
one?
This is the sauced beef.
This is a barbecue flavor. So as you can see, barbecue flavor.
I need some.
And inside it comes in mini packs.
That does my head in.
Like, why? Just put it in this packet. Let's save the ocean, save the planet. Subscribe to the BellyBros because it's a channel that cares about the planet.
Do you know how hard it is for a turtle to snort that? Blooming heck. Right, a really skinny little thing, unlike us.
Barbecue flavor, beef jerky.
There we go.
I'm a fan of biltong, you know.
Oh, it is like a biltong thing, isn't it? Nice and saucy. That's alright.
Just looks weird. Looks like some critters too that ate a bunch of berries.
You know what? That's
good.
It's like a Chinese dish.
I mean, it's 10 RMB, 15 RMB. So a whole pack of beef jerky, $2.
Not even $2, yeah. I mean, it tastes like some Chinese food that you get in a restaurant. Like that. Anyway.
Pocari Sweat puts the sweat back into your body.
Imagine it was just like sweat that you were drinking. Okay, now we've got the sauced beef jerky spicy flavour.
Listen, that barbecue beef jerky from Miniso, it's a freaking nice snack.
Mate, that was quite spicy itself. This one,
it had a little bite to it. I'll say like a 3 out of 10 for spice level.
Yeah, I'll give it a 3 out of 10 for spice level. This has got the people think we're just pointing at that tree. So you got a camera? Okay, it doesn't look any oh no, it does. Yeah, it looks a bit. I'm not gonna stick all of this in my grid.
Still has the barbecue flavor from the original packet, but this spice level goes up to at least a 6.
Oh, we're getting it now.
It's a nice snack.
I don't think that's that spicy.
No, like a 6.
I wouldn't even say it's 6. Maybe I got the dud.
No, it's not spicy.
I've got so much cow stuck between my teeth up. Right, let's go for something else before we go through. Should we try the sausage? Okay, charcoal grilled sausage. I wonder if that's a lie. I wonder if that's the truth. Let's see. When you're doing a braai, do you prefer charcoal or gas?
Wood.
Wood, really, yeah? Back home, have you ever done a wooden one here?
Little,
I've seen them before, believe me.
a little charcoal grilled little packed sausage.
Must be cold where they come from.
Steve, did they use you as a model for this? Did you model for this?
Oh, they come and they took the mold.
Steve was the mold model for these little packets.
I've dropped me chipolata.
Okay,
Right, never fear, because there's like 6 in a pack.
It's a very dark color sausage.
You've seen yes. You can never handle them dark sausages properly.
I'm used to big sausages.
They're so jumpy, aren't they? Right, got one. Got one.
Charcoal.
You can taste the smoky flavour on it, but not a nice sausage, to be honest. I've had better sausages in my mouth, put it that way.
Wait, Thailand? Can you open for me? I had surgery, man. My hands are weak. That's definitely not a charcoal grilled sausage.
There's a bit of a smoky flavour to it.
It's got a smoky flavour, but it's so fake.
Miniso, I want my $2 back.
The jerky, it's a nice snack. The charcoal grilled sausage, nah.
Should we try mushroom?
Just check this. Pack of marinated mushrooms. Like, who would think like I'm gonna marinate mushrooms and put them in little packets and sell them in a Miniso store?
The French guy who started Miniso.
Chinese and Japanese guy.
Don't say it, Steve.
Okay. Another little packet. Feels big.
Oh, got a spicy thing to it as well. I think we've got a fan.
Hello.
Oh, fella.
是什么？
这个是蘑菇。这个是蘑菇。
你讲的华语很好哦。
那这一点点的，我老婆是中国人，
哦，
但是我的中文不好。
中国哪里的？
中国在，他是广东人，肇庆。
哦，
肇庆对，他是肇庆人。
秋兴。
对，
是吧？
但是我没说白话，我不是太难的。
哎，你要学。
对，我。
秋兴，我们那是
你是
哎半个老乡。
啊，不对，但是
我是肇庆的。
So what they saying?
Okay, 我老婆可以叫我，但是
They're saying hello.
如果她叫我，她打死我。
Steve's telling him.
不会打你。
对不起，我在
哦，你们做什么？买广告。
对，
慢慢讲。
啊，谢谢你。So he's just saying that he's seen MJ because the sun's being blocked out, and he's like, "Can you just move, please, mate? Because it's a totally clips over here when you're standing there." So, right, I've got to eat this.
It's really
like,
good.
Looks like snail.
It's so good.
Looks like snail poo.
So there's basically 4 little mushrooms in a pack, but it's really good.
I don't like mushrooms.
Oh, man, that's good. You done? So good.
It's the consistency of them, what's it called? The
texture.
yeah.
It's not the type of mushroom that you're used to.
No. I like.
Okay, let's get to our last snack. Let's get to our last snack.
No, just 2 more.
Oh, we've still got dessert.
Yeah, let's do this. Now we've got the grilled pork jerky.
And then dessert.
Yeah.
So let's show this grilled pork jerky. So here we got pork jerky. It's got honey based. Comes in a little packet, and it's just a thin little slice like this.
Okay, thank you.
See it?
Hope it doesn't jump out. I love this stuff, you know, but it gets so much in between your teeth.
Good?
Yeah. You want me to open it for you? I've got greasy fingers though. It's idiot proof. Oh, that's alright. It's like a little cake, that.
So, thin little honey glazed pork jerky.
You just got one yourself, did you?
So
Nice, isn't it? Yeah.
this is good. Very sweet. It's obviously all artificial snack flavors types, but for the price and the snack, something nice to throw in your backpack, I will do it. Let's just have one each.
I mean, the packaging on this is just. Why do we need all this?
So it's a freeze-dried strawberry, and it looks like
Collagen. What's collagen? Can anyone tell me what's collagen peptide?
yeah, in the comments down below, what is collagen peptide? Obviously, that's culinary words we don't know. We know,
is it
we
gonna
know
make
words
us fat?
like we know words like sugar, hamburger, deep fried. That's the type of culinary words we know. But
Oh! Tastes audible.
a little bit sour. A little bit sour. It's definitely dry.
Oh, definitely dry.
And it's like almost like the peptide tastes like a type of white fake chocolate.
Oh, is that what the peptide is? The stuff on the outside, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not about. I couldn't eat another one. Well, I could, but I'm not going to.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Miniso is such a crazy store. Make sure if you've got one in your country, let us know down below. Do you go to a Miniso and buy snacks?
Did they even have them in Germany? Even though it was a German guy who.
It's a Chinese and Japanese guy.
Can't wait to tell you a joke I've got when this goes off.
Guys, hit that subscribe button. We love your support, and we'll see you next time.